Yeah, it's Big Papa again. And I'm walking through Times Square area. I haven't reached Times Square proper, but I know it is in New York City. Another drama. Always drama in New York City. So I'm just here walking around a bit. Showing this side. This is the New York Times building. I've been on this road in Times Square. So as I'm just like doing a walk by and outer skirts of Times Square. Not Times Square proper yet. I don't know if I can like go through the crowds to be in Times Square, but I might try. But this is Times Square proper, and as you can see, security is all about. So, it's like, yeah, this is security is all about making sure New York is safe. So, just that's the first time I've seen personal with my own eyes. NYPD officers with longboards. But this is Times Square, and they're like just trying to make us safe. Saturday, and I think it's approximately 4:30. But walking through. This is one of the entrances to the Port Authority bus. 60 miles. As you can see, just one of the entrances. There are a lot of entrances, and if you're not careful, you will get lost in that station. You have to carefully follow directions to get in and get out. Okay, so as you can see, Times Square, the outer skirt of Times Square, the lights, but you are getting closer. So just then under the show of Times Square, the hustlers are out hustling for you to go and watch different shows. So yeah, I think I might brave the walk and go into Thailand.